Okay, girls, so what have people asked for this year?
Whoa, look how many letters there are.
Oh, we've got a pile to get through.
Dear Stanta, Granddad's dog keeps digging up the veggies. Could you please send some plant knitting or maybe a scarecrow?
Maybe we can send them our dog as well.
Dear Stanta, could you please send us a step ladder so we can reach the top shelf?
Oh, we all know about that top shelf, don't we?
The lolly jar.
Cookies and the chocolates.
I would like an orbital sander to sand out the stain my slime made on my mum's table.
Yeah, you guys know all about making those stains, and I'd suggest 125mm we send out. Okay, well, I've got a letter here from someone as well. What do we got here? Dear Stanta, I've been a very good boy all year and would greatly appreciate a brushless rotary hammer drill.
You wrote that!
Well, it is Christmas after all.
Writing a letter to yourself.
Okay, guys, let's put these into piles. We need barbecues, lawnmowers, power tools.
I think we're gonna need a bigger shed.